Okay, so they got these little Yowie Diddy. They're like little surprise eggs. Yours is Rumbles?
Mine is Y. Mine is Y.
Go ahead and open them, guys. They might be a little melted because they were in the car. We were in the car for so long today.
Wow. Yep, there's chocolate. I'm Yowie. I know there's a supplies in there. There's a supplies in there. Chocolate's good. There's a supplies in there. There's a supplies in there.
Yeah?
There's a supplies in there.
Okay.
How do you open this?
I don't know. Want some help? You just sort of squeeze it. Show me what you got in there, bud.
I got an anteater.
An anteater. You squeeze it in the middle. You just squeeze it like that. You squeeze it right here. Squeeze it here like this. Or not.
Both open.
You got it?
I got a
Squeeze it like this.
little one. Chihuahua.
Squeeze it like that.
I already did mine.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. I got this.
It's a bison.
I got a bison. Wow, there's a website? Giant anteater is mine. The wolf is mine.
Cool. Is it yummy? I want to try it too.
I think it's a phonetic box.
It's alright.